Hi everyone, welcome to Wild Puzzle.
Can you crack this interesting math triangle puzzle before me to find the missing number? Pause the video and try to solve this. Comment your answer. Let's solve together. You can see in first triangle three numbers, 5, 4, and 1. Let's crack first triangle pattern. 5 minus 4 equals 1. So simple. Using same pattern for second triangle, 6 minus 2, we found 4. That's wrong, because in second triangle we have 64. So how this possible? It's simple. After subtracting the second number from the first number, take the cube of resulted number to find the third number. Let's apply on first triangle. 5 minus 4 equals 1. Cube of 1 is 1. Now apply on second triangle, same pattern. 6 minus 2 equals 4. Cube 4 is equal to 64. In third triangle, 7 minus 2 equals 5. Cube of 5 equal to 125. Now using same pattern, we find missing number in fourth triangle. 9 minus 6 equals 3. Cube of 3 is 27. So the missing number is 27.
Did you get it before me? Tell me in comment. Like and subscribe Wild Puzzle for more brain boosters.
Thanks for watching.